Hello guys, welcome to Noteartener. In this video I am showing you how you can fix body hair problem on Snapchat. So if you are using the Snapchat, then you are aware of this fact that a Snapchat only allows you to change your body for a limited number of time. So if you want to change your body after crossing the limits, then you can watch this video until the end. Then you can find the ways by which you can do this. So firstly, what you need to do is you have to open your Chrome browser, and then here you can type the Snapchat support and then search it. Then here you can find the contact us section in the Snapchat support. Type on this, and then here you can see the how can we help section. So here you have to choose I need help with a Snapchat feature. Then scroll down, and it is saying that what feature is this related to. So here you can you can choose settings, and after that if you scroll down, then here you can see the three boxes. So it is the first one is username, the second one is email address. So in these boxes you can fill in your username and email address, and in the third box you can fill in this text like this, that my actual date of birth is 23 January 2000 and I am 20 years old, but my birth date is stuck on 23 January 2005. Please help me. So you can write like this. uh, and after that you can send this mail to the Snapchat support team, and they will respond to you in 24 to or 48 hours. And then you can fill in some more forums or you have to and then you have to share more information about your year, and then you can change your uh, body. So if you don't want to do all these things, then there is easy process by which you can change your body. You can simply permanently delete your account, permanently delete your Snapchat account, and then you can create a brand new account, and there you can carefully write, you can fill in information about your date of birth or anything, and then you can use your account. So that's the two way by which you can fix the Snapchat year problem on a Snapchat.